Yeah. I've not little important stuff to do. You look good, more. Do you ever look good? I mean, never look good right here. I always look good. It's just that art so the person where lipstick and makeup and hairstyle and fingernail and eyelash don't make a difference to me. When I'm in my fucking element, I don't give a fuck. Because I look good in my art. So, even me not look good in my face, I'm an art me have to work proud. You understand? So, we have to keep back. That's why I'm say 7 times rather than 7 times fall. It have to be rough sometimes. Everybody choose to be smooth and groove every day. That's not my style. It's a ghetto girl. I like when I look like empam nails sometime. You understand? Yeah. I like when I look real authentic, not just because of all of the cosmetic. Yeah, you have to know for be hardcore. You have to can rock every little thing. All rouge and makeup and lipstick and eyeliner and all of those things. The fun cannot cope without it. When I could go up on the internet, if I distress on, I'm not going to dress up come look smooth and nice. Fuck that. Me them a question and tell me how much people may have for life with you. I should have do it on TikTok. I should have do it. When me have element, me no busy with nothing, fam. You understand me? To God be the glory, great things He has done. Let out my steam and vent. I really believe when you look so good, you feel. When you look good, you feel good, Queen. In a sense, because it's not about the how to look good. Looking good on the how bit to let you feel that it's good. Me not believe in that. You understand? So then me rough and tough, my heart rough and tough, my soul rough and tough, my emotion rough and tough. So my outlook can go be rough and tough. That's me. You understand me? When me rough and blood clot, me no want a ear from my head, me no want a makeup, me no want a lipstick, my full. It's true. She look like she have. But you need to focus on you. I always a focus on me. I always a fucking focus on me. Anybody who come along, I go focus on them too. None of blood clotting and I tell me what I focus on. He's a grown ass motherfucker, 53-year-old. And everything when I do, that's why I cannot drive today and go fix up my face and look decent as in the world. Nobody not tell me nothing. Go man. Move on a dirty blood clot. The whole of I got through blood clot relationship drama and I edit to come kiss out my nose hole. I'm not want to hear nothing from a dirty blood clot. I'm telling you already so I can't hear me. I don't like people dictate to me. I'm own a blood clot judgment and go care me go hell or heaven. Move on a dirty blood clot and go sort out in a cobweb and all life. Always focus on my blood clot self. When it's rough, life cannot always be smooth. Leave me the fuck alone. I don't dictate too much to blood clot. I'm like, oh, Queenie, me a ball. I know a ball because I remember where? I remember when a blood clot got through already. I remember when I got through now. Fuck when I try to trick blood clot me every minute and then I'm a caca clot and I stamp on. Move on a dirty blood clot. Why are you so depressed the blood clot and a man problem? The amount of blood clot things the man do the whole of blood clot. On a go man. Like I think I can't make me feel no blood clot lesser than myself. So I come out, come talk. My man is not the worst blood clot man, Pangadex. You have worse than worse. Move on a dirty blood clot. Dictate too much. What's a nice, beautiful fucking Queen of Rain? Blood clot, I tell me shit. And I tell me can't feel smooth every blood clot time for impressing her. When it bitter blood clot ball. Ball! Cause it blood clot bitter and a back and belly hypocrite blood clot. And me represent for the blood clot girl and I can't talk about the abuse and the disrespect when I'm get cause I shame the blood clot. All of me see me attack. Move on a dirty blood clot and sweep up from the blood clot one underneath in the bed. I sit down and condemn and kiss out my nose hole again. On the unfollow my dirty blood clot and I come talk about loose blood clot. Maybe it's me want to lose on a blood clot, you know. Maybe it's this, no. Me pissing out and me pussy. On the name blood clot wrestle with that and blood clot guy and me lose. Who is going to lose? When I was abusing a dirty blood clot, me couldn't unfollow me, you know. Because I just sit there and get up every. I saw one of them bumbo hole here. I went in the ball with me, I cuss out to no dirty blood clot. Because I'm a queen in a ball for. And I ball because I remember when I got through. And the phone can't talk. The phone suffer in a blood clot silent. When the pussy so and stink and lock up in a blood clot bed and depressed. And become loud and terrible and proud. And I don't want to patronize my dirty blood clot. You know, go and unfollow me. How the fuck when I feel like I'm a strong blood clot black woman? Ready want me? None of blood clot you can't dictate to me about concentrate on myself. Any bomber ass clot all in my life, I concentrate on them as well. Me no blood clot selfish and me no regret nothing what I do in a blood clot life. And no, make me feel better. Me still got to be married. And I stink na blood clot. I married the name. That's why it's a better blood clot worse. So when the worst come to blood clot, I'm stand up and scream out loud. No, blood clot condemn. And I think I can mash me up. My face mash up, my looks blood clot mash up, but my heart no mash up, and my mouth no mash up. Where? Blood clot only for dictating. Every blood clot girl man beat them, let them or do them something at some blood clot time in them life. When I move on a dirty savage blood clot. When I savage. That's why I eat up in my pussy like blood clot tandem for make me know me are the worst wife. Me is not the worst blood clot life, thank God. I'm not gonna be the blood clot life. Anything the blood clot me may scream it out loud. On a hypocritical bumble word, but not. You don't think me sit down and watch? Oh, no fun. One bird me with my blood clot problem I have already. No one put for no bird and come tell me say, who sorry for me and who support. Me not take up no blood clot sorry upon my head because me hurt on my heart and cut and me come out come blood clot talk to heal my blood clots. I'm not to take up no big pussy and no long blood clot. Shaky cocky boy problem for me. I don't know. Go ahead. Moving the blood clot. Sit back and watch the blood clot rise and know say. Hey! What man? I'm good. The whole of I go through trauma and journey and history. You don't understand I drink cup and tea, ton caramel, chicken back and rice clot, ackee. And I drink caramel blood clot porridge. Like me I go be the worst blood clot bitch and I go mash down. Me can't blood clot master. My spirit too good and my personality too blood clot nice. When the judge me call me ear na comb, I'm call me ear picky. But when I say I'm a good blood clot heart, I'm a good spirit and system. I still have the blood clot good energy. Now I want to know energy blood clot do this. The world love me and the world wants to see me. I could have deal to blood clot. No can't pop me down. Or not class my blood clot for clothes. I'm fierce. And true me not fix up my hair. Fix me up now and still a blood clot class. Me I tell me about, put this on man. Put this on. None of blood clot you can't tell me if I put first, second or blood clot third. Because some man don't even know what uno there. But over my blood clot page I tell big man for the none of can't tell me if I live from me at 10 and there St. Thomas. I ask God for this. And along the journey, I whole heap of blood clot obstacle I got in it. I want to blood clot. I come go like I'm here down the blood clot man I get trouble. Low blood clot, me no control my whole blood clot can I get spirit to controlling already. Why? That's no one blood clot. See my name out of blood clot rubbish bag. I'm not that. Oh, Queenie, I love you. So what the fuck you mean by me I love my blood clot self? So me care about somebody else I share with somebody else? I was signed for that fuck. I that me signed for. If you stick to you by better blood clot worse. Unfortunately, it work out to be another Ross clot thirst. It's life. I won't be the fucking first or the fucking last. Everybody come up on different mix up. I want different things to drama. When I mix up our wicked in our blood clot. I want the left next one. What my molly for people them? Marie. All right, man. You know, somebody said to me yesterday, said, not do you know. I'm sorry, you mean by not do me. So it's the way you're strong, not do you. All you need to do, I fix up your face. Yeah, and I'm like, okay. So the material part in our worry about. And my emotion part is important. Not the fucking stupid scratchy eyelash them. And the piece of dirt planted on my face. Man, collaboration. What's that?